What's your favorite thing about our relationship?
Oh, this is a sin give you some J Yoko Gine.
Oh my baby, no come better funo.
She come kahle mbiluya. Yamufuna bali baby wa. She come kahle mbiluya. Yamufuna bali baby wa. She come kahle mbiluya. Yamufuna bali baby wa.
Hello guys, I'm Amkelka YouTube channel I'm Comment Daglan one.
Komenyiku batenga ban.
Mas Steve Skurman one sama mtizala suru sha.
Proper.
Yeah.
Yeah, we guys namuhla it's a game time.
Game time nambuzi Q&A.
Sorry guys.
Mara sihlanganile I'm confused because it's more like game and question. This is
Mara it's Q&A.
Q&A, yeah. It's Q&A, question and answer.
I need Rasila masitra.
No pini. No, so mlabo swana sake mkhomele no tshama na yena. Ari bangena.
I tell you baby phela mina nakuranza swilo swa tika bara pray swita anzwa tshemba mina baby leri ranzo rita lasta ikhome bojepa phela beri ibo pasta.
Okay guys, as the bullying namhla is a Q&A. It's question na tinhlamulo. Like munhu ungenisa voko ateka xin'we a ti hlayela yexe a heta a hlamula. Tano ta.
Angithlayile.
Okay, utateka ni muhlayele and then a hlamula.
Kubutsa umenhlanga.
Okay guys. Ladies first. Azo.
Lo ranga umaka. Hlamula.
Nteka umhlayela nhlamula.
Okay. Shibekla, why ba shibona? Lo kwachi. Okay guys, what men fanele ukumanisha makete. Buka leo.
Buka ku.
Tsepa mati.
Hawu baby.
Tsepa mati.
Hawu mara.
Hey, fane va fe.
Hawu.
Kaso azu yara tsipi.
Buka halan.
Tsepa mati sa ngabuka. Tsepa mati. Check. Tsepa mati low tech.
Baby.
Uteka utsipini.
Yi?
Ngeke ulokuteka la ngitsi.
Yeah, why?
Guys, abunropa he.
Guys,
Ay, makasusu kare ngwa.
ngwa.
Kare ngwa makasusu. Okay guys, question ya baby. Yiri. Are you ready baby?
Yes, I am.
Yiri, what's the most childish thing we've done together? Yini shilo lexi nga tshama xi endla xa vutsongwatsongwana nyana nje.
Okay guys, Linda hlamula straightforward.
How long we hlamula
Anzi la kujika
khona kwini?
Oh baby.
Hlamula.
Okay guys. So childish leswi mina baby nga swi endla ende swi endle ngopfu. Ekufamba ya vuya mundzuku. Like all the time isuka ya vuya mundzuku. Leswi mina baby like swi childish nyana swo mukuma kuma.
Swi childish.
Oi. Every day usuka namhla ya vuya mundzuku.
No, like suka mani va rile ka Asleni ni tsama ifamba rile ka Asleni ya vuya nampundzu. That's not childish. Yeah. Urivula ku famba nampundzu u vuya ku famba nampundzu.
Ani vuli swa ku hasla.
Uvulavula ku famba nampundzu.
Ni vulavula hi ku famba sweswi impundzu no.
That's not childish.
Hi huma
Ay siva rile ka Asleni. Mkhoma. Marketing and stuff.
Asleni baby. Vula ngari ku Asleni yan ani vuli maka music or like ngari ku Asleni. Isama
The cancer. Oh, the case.
Yo.
Childish good cancer.
Baby, so ifamba.
Okay, that's how I learned.
No, I could tell my rending baby. No vula kuri. Like
yeah, it's childish.
There's this other year. Lember warning. That's how my. Yo, namhla mzuku tan wasihleketa mara.
Ndasihleketa.
Baby,
Sinapfumela baby.
Yes,
it's childish.
Mara for
and
like okay for the fact that go angarna lexi xi endlaku like useless thing nje. What to say? Yeah.
Okay.
So as bad mara hi ku u swi endla siku na siku. like ukuma ku everyday na uma ya vya mzuku everyday uma ya vya mzuku like ukuma ku kanyanga
for madam everyday no for madam everyday man man to how no zel baby and punza ngephuke so everyday I need to see ngiyachela Oslamswa phela ngaku like every day mutla nzuku
and vlog ka like ka 31 days ya ngwete ne ukuma ku ifambe maybe half of it, half ya nyanga, maybe 20 days.
Fambela magafanya ka famba kana mini. Fuma we pa guys, ne kuma kumara ka half ya nyanga me.
Okay guys, yeah, it's a childish thing. It's a childish go kuma go ufamba vya mzoko like ushenga where or casually. Kakutala kahle. Ashikali as ngopfu loko mkuma ku msati na nuna like mina munti mvanhu vakulu ashikahle sweswo guys mfane mhlonipheka vanhwini yes leswi swa switsongwana uswi njhani babe before ni ku shekela
no swa depend kuna vari man kuna vanhu vo fana na vo Gagash kuna vanhu vo fana na vo driver mjolo na nsati va le ka Slane cause va fane va famba va yegegeni va vena mpunzu yo cause vele ntirho wa ku
nekula ongari ku Slane baby
ku ni nkarhi u nga ta ku vhela wo sweswi ni tsakise mzimba wa ntwisisa
okay
not cancer swi kahle ku cancer guys or kanjani I'm not saying ku vele twisisa mara good cancer swi kahle anyway yeah it is Nimana baby is childish, yes. I ain't family ngavuyi maybe.
Anarenga fambi ngavuyi.
Ngafami ngavuyi.
Guys.
Family ngavuyi.
Baby, afamba ngavuyi mara.
No, it's childish. Ange family ngavuyi, yo itafama maritavu. Next question. Guys, it's about mirin kola kat comment mi wana njani makale ngwini. Because he got to manga endlela yin'we leswi beba hlaka swona pfumelana yena swa ku is childish loko hi nga ri ka Slane so yeah and then loko mi ri ka Slane ya twala so yeah hi done
guys me ane issue bad mara loko kuma ku okay inga ku swona suka baby davi ya mzuku nje ai khulumile
ayisneta I'm chill. Okay, I know what that little pin the shit. Okay, as long as I pin this one,
okay, guys.
Because that gonna get live video question. I'm soon gonna guys say yeah, they my 5 minutes to 10 minutes.
Guys, let's just famba. Unga like you also got to famba inga as bad. Mara problem yoku uswenda namuka munzuku like okay na mbo jumpa mzuku uswenda namuka after mzuku cause relaxini wisile mndani hlelela like especially lokuma ku
I mean mzuku swendile
okay guys I continue in like okay so question man ihlamlangi lokhu ko tsonzuku swendile
mzuku so ngawihlamlangi
ni hleni ihlamuka
sure it's Nga gonna open I'll take you one more. Next question, guys.
If you were in a talent show, what would we do? Loko mokuma ku ile ka talent show leswi swa ku
yeah la ngofika ne nukusosi baby abangena sweswinyana ngena iva actor ibabo ma comedian nyana kumbe ibabo ma love show nyana yeah nga baby kumbe I rap I mina baby itele phela yayimbelela mawustiva shikhome kahle mbilu yanga ndimufuna bari baby wanga shikhome kahle mbilu awusitisa switele swinga swendlaka na baby la inga actor kumbe yenda comedy show ibaba tenga hambani switele swi nga ta swiendla la vanhu va tlhe va tsaka
yeah
all right next question guys utsipa matihlo beba mu nga bukanga kwala yeah buka lava ku vona na guys mashwana musleshwana camera later already baby
yeah I'm ready
what's the best meal we've ever cooked together? Oh, yini swa byela byi nga si tshama hi sweka swa best nga si tshama hi sweka hi ri vambirhi
lexi hi nga tshama hi sweka na baby i rini i xitampa na beef a hi swekela la handle wa swi hleketa
a ku sweka mina kumbe a hi sweka
a hi sweka hinkwenu a ni hlanganyetela ya mara a hi ri two i samp and
beef
stew yeah
Hey,
leyi hlamule straightforward
le n'wana wa hlamule straightforward
anuwe ite a wu yi rhandzanga
a ni rhandzanga ta ma tsundzuka hi famba sa namuntlha mundzuku a ni tsundzuki na sweswo
okay guys loko ni nga hlamulangi kahle ni kombe mi ni khomela na
u yi hlamule kahle uze u khomele hi munhu la u khomela hi mama nga ni faka timhaka ta wena next question kanani
kumbe a no lorha guys hey two ya tona
ndava leyiwa
a xi vuya
ndava leyi
a xiti i nge xo va xinene
swa straightforward
what's your favorite thing about our relationship
size sengivisa nje hiyo question
what's your favorite thing about our relationship
swi tele
mention 3 baby
there's a lot there's a lot leswi mi swi rhandzaka ku okay one thing ku vanhu va ku tala like the inspired hina va bukhelele ka hina ma swi twisisa nyana hi dyondzisa vanhu va ku tala ku no ku rirhandzu ri i xixa njhani ma swi twisisa so yeah that's Allah it's pumela zwini
like then by emotional
yeah be emotional it's fine it's okay to be emotional must be I cry nazo you can be and then xin'wana xi rhandzaka ka relationship iku rhandzana mina baby yeah nkarhi n'wana hi pfa hilwa loko ni la ku hlamba ri huma ro
yeah so naughty
ri karhi ni vonela so yeah swa ni bela yeah ala swi ni bela ku loko hilwa kahle more especially loko hi holova it's kind of funny nyana
yes
so ko holova ka hela
ko va na argument nyana ne swi fani and
ko holova ka hela it's fine ai swa mi
baby
it's
no.
funny
it's not funny it's not
guys it's fun to be honest mina enjoy nkarhi un'wana not saying ku but nje unitisa nyana
wadada swi enjoy kun'wana kuma swa ka na ri kona guys
sure that thing guys aku uda tsambula vule nkarhi un'wana loko a endla a kwatanya u suka u hleka nje it's more like it's a joke thing ku munhu a nga swi tekeli enhlokweni a swi twisisa swi endla ku u nga tshama swo enhlokweni a swi twisisa so yeah that's the other thing ni swi rhandzaka and ku nuku hi nga khomani timbili hi kulisana nuku tsaka ka ya kan tsakisa next question ihlale kahle
kahle baby la unkota ku kuma ku hi tshamile nje hinkwenu emotional a ni hlamusela swo 20 minutes vo ma
hlamusela leswi
ni byela xitori xa relationship ya hina
xitori xa yena baby ku na xitori xa yena tsima tihlo ka a wu xitiwo xitori xa yena
like u byela leswi nga le mbilwini ya wena
ji amhlole if we were animals what would we be ngaba yini loko ayo nga swiharhi a hi ta va hi ri loko ayo nga swiharhi hina sweswinyana a hi ta va hi ri yini
a hi ta va hi ri tinghala like no I guess I ra bed because tinghala ta dyana nani ta
dyana njhani
ni vula ku ta dya swiharhi swin'wana
aisha o lahlekisile
hey wake up
mara leswi nga swi veka
okay sorry guys sorry khomeni ni vula ku tinghala ta rhandzana swi tiva
leswi swi ka swi nga rhandzaneki
okay mina bebe a hi ta va hi ri tinghala cause tinghala hinkwako la ti ya kona loko ti ya ku hloteni ti famba swin'we cause va ti tinghala hi te
swi hambana va famba vavanuna va ehloteni vavasati va tshama na vavanuna
okay a hi ta va swinyenyani ke
hayi swa ku like phati yin'wana na swo swinyenyana swa rhandzana mara swi na phati leswaku sweswi ku ye ku phandiweni munhu
okay mina baby loko a va swiharhi a hi ta va swinyenyani cause swinyenyani swi soft
tinghala tinjhani wa ti cinca
tinghala
ti dya
dya swiharhi swin'wana
wa u dyi xiharhi xin'wana
hayi
a wu dyi huku a wu dyi homu a wu
ni xiharhi mina ni munhu mina ni human being
so that's unfair cause leswi dyaka swona swo phela swiharhi swi na ti-feeling
a hi ta va
i swakudya leswi dyaka swona
mina ni ta ni ri xinyenyani baby a ri kondlo ke no tlanga guys a hi ta va hi ri swinyenyani ya
mina se ni concern ku why you cinci tinghala
tinghala ta dya guys
swinyenyana swi swa dya musa
ti dya vanhu like tinghala ti dya xin'wana na xin'wana ekdisi swinyenyana swa kheta ku
swa dya vanhu swinyenyana
mara swa kheta ku lexi na lexi
na yo nghala ya kheta yi dyi byanyi
byanyi ntsena
hawu a ni ya kheta ku di dya nga yi dyi
a hi ta va swinyenyani i question ya me leyiwani a hi ta va swinyenyani
why ku ya kheta swakudya
loko a ku hlamula wa ta va yi
va hlamula na xiharhi xin'wana xin'wana nga tlhela xi na phati ya xona ku kheta leswi akhudi wena wa ku hlawula munhu sweswi vutisa mina a ku tlhela u tiphinda kala ku tlhela u va xinyenyana futhi love dove 2 for love hi swona 2 for happy
2 for happy
2 for love 2 for happy next question guys
what's the best way we've found to resolve fights
yeah ritekeni lana
okay. What's the best way we've found to resolve fights hi ndlela leyi nga hi kuma ya ku hi solve ti nga ku yini tinyimpi ta hina loko mi kuma ku hi kwatelanini oro yeah I need lava question leyi mara ni kuma
ala ku hlamula
yeah mara
you can answer it
no I won't
you can answer it on my behalf baby
no
we love why not yele
I ngari ya mina
mara yele na ku nyika mina bebo hlamula
mara
okay
ukuma ta tough ta la ka relationship wa sika zen phakani inside
okay endlela ya ku hisa va tinkinga ta mina baby iku
I don't prefer it
ani ro I prefer ani
okay,
yo
okay ndahlamula after it's fine
yo ayon
u18
ayona na
yona
ahiri ngilava yini yini
question 18
what's the best way leyi
we have leyi nga ikuma ya ku hi solve the problem ta hina
iku patla guys then after patla you relax some more come
wena ma
so se ikota ku vulavula kahle ku baby ish mare so no man ngeke so kahle guys iku vulavurisana kahle after problem kota ku vulavula ku no want to try aswintsakisi isa green way forward no vona nga giyo ile ndlela ku and then makakhulu na patla ifane ngena la xikari ku emotions that tiyehla on com and then kota ku vuyisa mqondo I refresh kahle ku baby no I was wrong kun'wana a admit ku baby I'm wrong on this is I'm wrong baby hinkwenu mi nga dzikadziki a ku yehlu n'wana tlakuka so yehla like ane amnge famsani baby shukuna lo n'wana wa kwatile wena lo n'wana ambu wrong ka rin'wana u sona swa
awu yenhla loko wrong u tshama hansi
wa swi vona minkarhi wun'wana swa hexela ku na minkarhi wun'wana mi nga rhobi 2 ka n'we and hinkwenu loko moya mi ri 2 ehenhla a swi nge hlangani se swi boha u tiyisa hansi swi twisisa so as long 2 wrongs never make right baby so mi kota ku vulavurisana and then as long as mi kota ku khuluma kahle and then laha nga ta kota ku kuma solution
ngakhuluma loko ete ngikhuluma
nga khuluma question
ngikomba ukukhuluma nambe ngariphishana
vulavula my love the stage is yours
guys makale I solve the problem. Communication is the best ka relationship. Yes, kuvulavula nambo kuma ku okay kuna leswi swa ku okay kuna lava vo kuma ku va prefera ku loko va ri
no
va prefera ku loko va ri
yeah so man ante yes so ni rideng you go calm down se mi kota ku vulavula after the communication ya wena
kuma ku okay dang munhu anga ilavi u fanele u endla njani ani love like nkwatile in a way leyo ani love
like softena na massage I talk to you on this is
so guys kuna vanhu lava kuna kuma ku that day le bipa vulavula ku yo van'wana mi ta kuma ku u wrong ne
ande utive munhu wa guys utive munhu wa guys swi ya swa ku utiva yo
na ngo mutiva siku kun'wana u ta ku cincela loko cinceke phela I solve maka communication
ni dengela ku munhu a relaxa hi kote ku vulavula kahle cause loko u vulavula loko un'wana loko unless loko un'wana dropile loko un'wana loko ri so guys ku vulavula mi ri soft kahle so swa grand I think your solution
I will hello guys
ya ngena li na logic li Leah, it's either usukuna yokumba ugcina yo la swi tikoma very at least go right.
Guys, communication kuvulavula swina nkoka. Communication is a key ka relationship. Leswaku hansa leswi
a ku na xihansa nchumu la lexi hi xo xi endla ka communication va right. Guys, nga yi tshikeni maka loko la ku communicate kun'wani he mi ta holova mi nga fiki mi la swa mi ya ku mi nga twisisi. Fika nda mkhuluma kahle soft mavulavula ku amata ayo so
guys it's my turn koma ujikisa
okay tsipumati
utamela
kutawa alo yonteketa ukawila lokushina me this tek how sinhlamula ndi question tamezwe ndambyela ku patla isizi.
Yes, communication do wrong uvulavula.
I'm not saying communication is wrong. What need?
You're right, baby.
Hey, nima na we. Maro uso ukipa swin'wana. Mendri leswi ya swi ku endla ku etise mi communicate kahle.
Ni ku kuma ku munhu anga swi lavi.
Ane khoma kahle, umtisa kahle, u communicate kahle na yena.
Okay, mi holova mi le ka long distance before pula xexo ha vulavula ya wena. Ha vulavula ya wena. Ni kuma ni ri muholova kuma ku mi le ka distance.
Le ka distance. The distance boy vulavula khoza na patla.
Okay, and the swallow your
pride. Loko like so.
Communication, guys.
Patla and then communication.
Kasi one right sa patla guys.
Oh, communication and patla. I know you're angry.
Yeah, maybe kwala ku communication and patla.
Yeah, as long patla ri kona xikana. Hey.
Patla to sondanza mina. Papina wena hawa.
Pero nga bi patla kuma lombe ti bag. Okay, next question.
Communication and patla guys.
Yeah, boy.
And after
it's all can commence on me na guys.
Guys, and logo after logo mkhulumile ne patla and la fast forward. After
okay, baby, next question. Right now patla.
Yeah, we patla.
Okay, if we had a wish, what would it be? Look, I remember a wish can be very kunavera. Kungava korini.
Guys. Ngobula chia show leswani. Yeah.
Yes, baby.
My wish.
Our
wish.
How? So one minus.
Sure. Baby, I want minus. Babe. Patla. Ndabona ka patla. Okay, guys. Loko like loko bo kunavela ka mina baby karwa sweswi nga tshama la. Va ku vula kunavela ka wena then ve swi endla. lexi a ni ta kombela xona i ku aka and then after kwalani i ku aka like ku aka yindlu and then a xin'wana xa nhwanyana na xin'wana xa nhwanyana guys. Yeah, that's my wish and my baby weke cause ni ta kuma ku meni lava like ni
yeah hlaya swa wena mina hlaya swa mina. It's fine.
okay, my wish is ku aka muti wu helela like and then na xin'wana xa nhwanyana
yawa la mahla
mahla na malava they're like you guys. Mahla ne video leyi after malembe nyana hi ta va ri na swihahla na mina baby.
ngaku ni ta kombe maspem sa gagasha
hawa ta hi bache very mani chalo
ne u donate se hi mateka hi mafakwalana
phela ku va nga ri vana va wena se vana va yena
ku ri wa mina u donate maspem va tiva ngamtini umti.
what if ya va na n'wana na vana va lavaya vambirhi and then lava n'wana one
a tlanga phepha ni nge swi maki na sweswo.
so wo wisha wa nga va yini
me wisha me ku nga va ku ri la kahle mabindzu ya ma famba guys ma swi twisisa cause na mabindzu man'wana swibindzwabindzwana swa hi swi nga talela mara a swi tikombi swa ku swi ya kwini. Business ya hi content yi vaya yeah more special ma business na ma content kahle leswi ndla zvayaka and then yeah ita kota na hi ku rhananya na swin'wana swa ku yaka na yini obviously mabindzu ma faya hi la ku nghenaka mali se swi boha yaka so yeah so leswi mi swi ni vuxaka swona.
okay like I said Roman the wisha me ku va na n'wana n'wanyana wa ta navela ku va na n'wana
un'wana ka me right mfana un'wanyana na teka mrhandza hinkwenu n'wemtaka na mrhandza hinkwenu.
Daddy loves you guys.
Yebo question kuteka masweswi
kuteka
akuhlamula mali leswi
kuteka wena mi enhlamu
okay
go run away like yeah
meno tatisanyana dana
yeah
le yo question ya straight.
If we had a food truck, what would we sell?
Loko hi nga ni truck ya swakudya a hi ta xavisa yini ya swakudya
swakudya swa ku kahlahla ku ta va ku ri yini
a hi ta xavisa matandza obviously. Yeah swi tele swo guys mara a hi ta xavisa matandza since it's delivery from a hi ta xavisa matandza hi deliver yeah yes
that's what
baby guys ila hi pfule business ra matandza.
Yes, you
Are you ready?
yes
Let me see. Hey, I'm finally on by this. Sorry guys. If we had a pet, what would it be? Loko ayongana pet.
vane hlamula xin'we okay guys look I have a pet like anta lava hi vana ndzwana as ndzwana I favorite ya mina and then baby favorite I ti fish leta ta swin'wana swa orange swa ti-color blocking yeah I ti fish so yeah I don't want to pet the two ndzwana na ti-fish leta leswi hi nga ta tlhela na swona in future yes
yeah and then make ndzwana no sacrifice I could know
na mina
even
fish,
though
no sacrifice
fish wa rhandza
fish leswi swa orange leswi
fish n'wana
mi ti rhandzela fish
ya tindzwana ti hambana phela
mara mina like fish
rhandza ya ku fish a wi zone nga swi embini fish a uzanga wi zone
mara we fish a wi rhandza
fish na rhandza fish
okay yeah we rhandza yo ka nga ku rhandza
yo ka nga rhandza mina fish So
Okay.
guys, marindzwana na rhandza mani rhandza loko ya ri xitsongo vo loko xi na age liya nyana loko duza dikula hi mara nte since baby nta sacrifice mara
Yes, and then
It does some-
ani lavileyo mi kuma ku yi ta yi ri xikoxana ndzwana ni lava leyo ni ti kurisela hi nexe.
obvious angela swikoxana vele mi nga ta landzana swikoxana
Possible.
anyway how kasi okay awu me
Tipa matihlo. Ah, ni vutisa ti-pet.
okay it's
Awu.
fine yeah.
Ngiyasabona.
ijumi mara pet yar ene hlamuleli vele na mezipani hlamula yo
What's the best surprise you have planned for me?
the best surprise engayihlanganisa what is it let me think hey my guys and munhu ati surprise isi so
Shady.
what is it ukubuya na byelana baby I'm home saka baby are you home really home yes I'm home my love
Watasukulerena ni nga tshembi.
yeah well, yes ngikuma inimisa injani ihle atsakama yo
Ndakudamala. Kesikela ani nga tshembi shembe mara ni nga tshembi that day yo you made my day.
Lutlang guys, the best surprise is Valentine's. Yeah, 14 Valentine's. That's my best. Best baby. Yeah, I'm going to sing on 2026, 14 February.
Yeah, like yes, ani nga expecting the swa Valentine. Mara na leswi swa sukulere inga vi nga mzilangi. Ava ku mutaya.
I was like, surprise, your dick is here.
Yay! Hey,
Do you get it?
we don't get it, forget about it.
What do I fight or so? Ah, yeah. Palmati Logana. Take a one. I'm take 100, baby. What take a car to keep back. Look, keep on a whooping. So much of 20. Alright. What question daily? What's the first thing you would do if you won the lotto together? Why would you?
We.
Mari.
It's a swapping air.
Okay. Yeah, look at you win a lotto together la in the she out the she and la shakusungula. Yo pazama you guys it's like obvious what thing and we in this shakusungula le she out the she and la win a lotto. You win a lotto.
Or we not out.
I know look you win away win me.
Yes.
Look you win away.
Okay, guys. But I just end up in a baby. And like in Shlamla, I said Rami.
Hlamula my love.
And because Mungakuma
go racist.
like Mungakuma
Yeah,
go
I'm just
me,
saying.
Nishlawane, and then Kumaku baby.
Okay.
And Mina baby, Aita, Shaksungul, Aita Ak. Aka. Aita Aka. And then after Aka, he investor, and then he enter my business. Logo like share kumada ko itela kufika kwi my business. And then baby na mina, and then yeti kumela shimovana. Yeah. Ngarshedi. And then let's say kamaliani mukumako yin'wana yayo yi donetela vana swikolweni like tintangu uniform ya swifano sweswiya swin'wana ke na ku yi nga donetela lavaya va ri leswi swa ti-orphanage swa ku ya hi leswi loko u wina lotto ni nga kombela ku swi endli u lava ku tatisa ka swona u lava ku tatisa
Hala, hola entonces.
no ku tisa guys And then
What's that guys? What's up?
Nubusa we.
So guys.
No what this guys nubusa babe. And then xin'wana I ku hi nga and then yeah loko hi doneta hi ta tlhela donetela na ti-siblings ta hina yeah kahle ti-siblings ti ku ya xikarhi so yes xin'wana ke
It's your question, my love. Okay, my foot.
eh
You know, okay, la we musu.
uhlela mina kuqhedela
Oh,
hey Nairobi wa mina
I know when did that come, my love.
ngikudidi sithatha
Yeah. Okay.
if we were cartoons character who would we be
I thought Timothy Pumbo. Timothy Pumbo. Ay. Ya malaka la yon king. Yeah, I thought Timothy Pumbo because but some about the sama and this is about America. Matima, you know them the story. So yeah. Oh,
I didn't expect that
yeah. I'm unpredictable.
that was a surprise
I'm unpredictable. Alright. If we had a holiday, what would we celebrate? Look, I wake up all this babe. I celebrate by look at you.
which I celebrate the show guys so kala kumkuma ku ka relationship mkuma ku vanhu va spend ka rokeria so lexi a hi celebrate xona i nkarhi lowu hinkwawo hi nga wu spenda mina baby kusukela masunguleni ku fika namuntlha na ti-success hinkwato leti nga ti endla kusukela la mina baby hi nga rhandzana ko ku fika namuntlha hi tlhe hi celebrate na tipulani ta hina hi tlhe hi ti khongelela ta future
Allah! Woo! Baby man! Okay. You cooked it there, you cooked.
ni nga ta tisi
Atatisa ulokutatisa mari you cooked mara.
yeah guys a hi ta celebrate na ti-memories leti hi nga ti create na baby a hi ta create ta ku tala hi siku rero leto hi nga pfuki ti rivalini yeah and nkarhi wa ko hi celebrate mi hi hakelerile yeah a hi ta celebrate swona sweswo what do you think babe? We're so proud of me I know
Yeah, I'm proud of you, baby.
thank you
100% sure. Guys, kusele yingo la ngwani. Okay, so nga
wani
yeah.
how
Guys, mngarivalen subscribe, like, comment, share. Mtshama mi cheka every Saturday 5. Itaba ri kona ma switiva hi swilo swa ku tsokotsa hi tshama hi vutisela vunanga bya ku tsokotsa hi posta hi ndlela
vunanga tinghoma lavi
vunanga vunanga i ku tsakisa nyana na tinghoma
That's
khome kahle mpilu yanga i vunanga sweswo vunanga ku tsakisa vunanga ku tsakisa na ana ku tswa ku posta yini i posta Q&A i posta ti vlogs i posta vatenga ambani comedy i posta ti games
guys and loko kuma ku kuna lexi u lava ku hi xi endla u nga zi u twa u pfaleleka ku nga veri nga comment xo ku komba tenga ambani kombela ku mi endla swilo swo karhi no karhi ta mi endlela guys swin'wana na swin'wana leswi n'wi lavaka swona hi ta mi endlela
yebo yes sesibe bahlayile guys so itshamiseke tani lexi u nga one be u nga
wazi
zuxiki
tsipa matihlo
ku hlaya we
hey
hambi yakini
kitchen
yaki wayila nga ku nyika yo nga ku hlaya tisa na ku hlaya nga ku hlayela my love I don't know
if we wrote a book together what would the title be
the title it will be always and forever sticked together. The bond was very bold and it lasted forever. You know, but it will be like, love is not blind. Love, we can see you.
Love is blind.
Love is blind.
What are you talking about?
To us, love is not blind because we can see the love. I can see the love in you. So love is not blind. Love, it's real. Love, it's, you know what I mean, dark. Cheers to it. La. So tatle go yo go ta go rele. Kumbe hi ku ba rhandzani. Loko se ngena ka deep Xitsonga. Hi ku kumbe hi ku rirhandzu a ri heli. Kumbe hi ku ba te hinga.
That's what I was waiting for.
There's a lot, baby. There's a lot. Calm down.
Batenga, I guess. Like sometimes you don't have no buku ya batenga.
Okay, you can write. No feel sometimes. You can start now. I can support you. I can give you. Do you want a paper and pen?
No, that's not why I want. I want your ideas.
Ow!
Yes.
Man,
Yes,
my idea is
book.
to write a book. That's my idea. Take a pen and paper. Write a book, and then after that you turn up.
Like,
baby,
I feel-
and then Oregon guys. Unga fika guy. You see. But obviously, if you go ka munhu, u fanele ku na ti-plans leti already se ti endlekile. Se baby a tsale book.
Cause guys,
Se loko la idea ka mina ka baby mara la.
tshama u cheka diary ya mina.
Diary.
Yeah.
You thought
No, I don't. Iko, I thought wanga like tshama rivaleni.
you go away.
Like rivaleni ndawu leyo.
Ah, like today.
Nalanga wa itiwa ku ile kwini. Yeah. I
Ula
didn't shut down.
ni hlaya mara.
No, ungayihlayi like no vula ku.
Angihlaya. Se why you
No vula ku hi 3 minutes na swi kota ku tsala 2 pages.
Go.
Yeah.
Blind.
Like especially loko ni ri emotional.
So utate ma page manga kaya.
I think I have my 6 page. Like leswi ni nga swi tsala laya a swi nga ri swa vatengambani mara like a ku ri swilo leswi ni nga swi vona real life.
Unga tsala ringeta ku tsala swa tingambani ta wena.
Sweswi.
Sai sweswi ai la ka.
Oh yeah.
From now swi tsali la vona. Kami ukhuluma hi n'wana.
Ni ku tsalela wena ni ku byela.
Tsala we. A no ku
U ta va hlayela or njhani? U ta like okay u ta rhanga u swi
wena
verify.
u tsale book. Full stop. Swa ku ya kwini la vangendhawu swa mina wena.
Okay guys.
Tsala va tingambani. Guys, expect the book very soon. Baby, it's all a book sweswi. U tsala title va tingambani.
Yeah, vatengambani.
Va tingambani.
And guys, book ya kona loko ni tsala, yeah, it's all about mina na baby. Loko like ni tsala swilo leswi ni nga tshama swi vona, a ni nge tsali swilo.
Na n'wina na vo au tshamba vona mafenzi. Oh, no tlanga.
Ni tsala swilo leswi ni nga tshama swi vona.
U tshama swi vona swo mafenzi.
Ma defense ta mina tiva mara ni vula ku loko like okay most vanhu va lava tsalaka tibuku ne minkarhi ya ku tala kuma ku va tsala ku ya leswi va nga swi experience vuton'wini.
A u tshama experience nchumu mavendela.
So that's why mina no baby. Guys, defense ta mina mi rhandza mi nga rivali ku like mi share mi tlhela mi subscribe la kwala mina baby.
Wana bathu ndiyamufuna